Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video, and in this video I will show you how to remove background from logo in Photoshop. So let's open our Photoshop software, and as you can see the logo is not a PNG and instead has a white background. So to remove its background, go here and right click on it. Select the magic wand tool and then click here. Now as you can see the background is traced. Now click on select and then inverse. And now if you click on this layer mask button on the bottom menu, the background will be removed from your logo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.